time to turn my attention to the frame at the front, the window frame, just above the A-pillar there, which is in a little bit of a state, to say the least. Particularly all around here I thought I'd tackle first, and inside. It looks like, I think this is obviously a coupe, but this I think this must be part of the standard fabrication, because this is used on the roadster, this section, but I want to preserve it in its original state as best I can. So on this side I've already cut away the rotten parts, and I've fabricated 3 pieces of sheet steel to start to build this up again. So this one will sit in first, in that gap, and then there's a small, it looks like a small plate. Well, oops, wrong way around. That one will fit in there, and then finally I've got the 3rd layer, which will, if it was up the right way or round the right way, there we go, completes that box section. As I say, is something that's utilised on the roadster, but part of the standard structure that they built for both the coupe and for the roadster. So let's see how that goes. It's gone quite well. I don't know how much you could have seen that in the time lapse, but there's the 3 sections. That's the first one, the one sitting underneath, and then this angle piece here. It's proper solid now. No, that's not going anywhere, so I'm quite pleased with that. Needs a bit of dressing, but that's done. Now I'm turning my attention to try and reform this corner section. I don't know if you can see that all around there, and just fabricate some small parts, just this, to get this looking back to its original condition. Thank you to my Facebook friends at MG Coupe Group and MGA Restoration for sending me some photos of what this area is supposed to look like, because on my car all of this was missing. I built this A-pillar, blimey, probably 2 years ago now, and I was guessing what this area up the top here was supposed to look like, but now with the pictures I can see that I need to fabricate a piece which I've roughly done here right now, over the nice work that I've done up here already. Pretty much most of that is covered with a section that follows broadly the door line. I put the doors and the dash back in temporarily, so I can kind of see the shape I'm supposed to be following, whereas on the pillar originally I'd taken it up there, so I've got to slightly refabricate this and make a piece up here, and then once I've done that, then the window pillar I can bring around and attach to this. And there you have it, job done. I've just got a few small places to do a little bit more welding, but not much, and then dress all this up. But I've reshaped this piece, as you can see now, and the job is done. So that has been a huge amount of work to get that back to its original shape and recreate all that. And now all I've got to do is the other side. So a few more days of work, and both of those window frame pillars will be completely remade. Very pleased with that.